So this video, we're gonna go over Let's Go Stars. Game 1 of the Western Finals. Okay, Let's Go Stars. Okay, I agree, Let's Go Stars. But like I was saying, this video is gonna be about the top interior things that I've done on my 2019 Tundra. The cool part is all of these things that I'm going to show you are DIY, so I did it myself and you can too. Now remember, this is an SR5, so it wasn't loaded with all the fancy features that you see in some of the new trucks. So these interior features are things that I love and I use every single day. Okay, but I'm just saying, let's go start. Because you spend most of the time inside of your truck, you want to do things that make you feel happy every time you jump in and you're driving. And that's exactly what I've done here. These are the top 5 things that I've done inside this truck. And again, I did them all by myself. The little things make a big difference for me. Now there's a ton of other little things that I've done inside the truck that are not in this video, but I'll be sure to include it when I do my total update video. And in case you're wondering why I just didn't leave it stock, I can't ever leave anything alone. The first is this armrest cover that I got on Amazon. It simply slides on and it adds a nice leather touch. It's got a really nice soft feel to it and it makes the truck look a little bit luxurious. Hey, again, it's an SR5, so I'm trying to class it up a little bit. Super comfortable, super easy to install, and you can see from underneath it's held on by a few straps. Doesn't really move or go anywhere. Definitely recommend this. Number 2 is going to be this shift knob. When I started looking for knobs for the Tundra, there was a few out there, but they all looked the same. I had the TRD knob for a while, which was all leather, and it pretty much wore out. For me, this is pretty much the best option I've found in terms of how it looks. That Toyota Velcro patch in the middle can be removed, and you can add different options. I've even got a few up here ready to go. Number 3 is going to be hiding right back there. It's a wireless charging pad. Now you can buy these on Amazon. They're freestanding, so you can pretty much put them anywhere. I've seen a lot of people put them right in this spot on the armrest, but I wanted something a little bit more unique. Plugs right into a USB charger. You can kind of hide the wiring to the best that you can. Now with having wireless CarPlay connectivity, which I'll talk about here in a second, I simply drop my phone down here. It connects to CarPlay and it's charging as I drive. Number 4 is going to be the wireless camera, the dash cam that I put in the car. This is a Nexar. There's a full install video that I have, but pretty much it's always recording front and back. It's also recording to the cloud and it's always on, so I can actually log into it and get a live view of what's going on. It'll also send me notifications, so I know what's going on with the truck, even if I'm not there. Now you can see I've got a clear shot of the front and back. And number 5 is going to be my new head unit. Again, I did this myself in terms of the install. I've got a video on it. It's got CarPlay, it's got YouTube, Netflix, any app that you can download from the Google App Store. And if you've got a cell service with a hotspot, you can connect to it and you've got always on access. You can also see your backup camera. If you add a front camera, you can add that as well. It really updated how the car looks.